Today I'm going to show you how to add a foreign key in LibreOffice Base step by step in a simple way that anyone can follow. If you're building a database and you want one table to connect to another, this is exactly how you do it. We'll start from a brand new database, create the tables we need, and then set up the relationship properly so your data stays organized and linked together. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. On the left side of the start screen, under Create, click Base Database. This will launch the database setup wizard. Next, select Create a new database and then click Finish. LibreOffice will ask you to save the database file, so choose a location on your computer, give it a name, and save it. Now that your database is created, you'll be taken into LibreOffice Base. On the left panel, click Tables. This is where we're going to create the tables that will later be connected through a foreign key relationship. To create the first table, click Create Table in Design View. This opens the Table Designer, where you can define your fields manually. For the first table, create a field called ID. This will be the main identifier for the records in that table. After adding the field, right-click or use the primary key option to set ID as the primary key. This is important because the foreign key in the second table will point to this field. Once that is done, save the table and give it a clear name. Next, create your second table. Again, click Create Table in Design View. This second table should include a field that will link back to the first table. For example, if the first table contains customer IDs, the second table might include a customer ID field as well. Make sure this linking field is the same data type as the ID field in the first table. That is very important because foreign key relationships work properly only when the field types match. After both tables are created and saved, we can now define the relationship. At the top menu, click Tools and then click Relationships. This opens the Relationships window where LibreOffice Base lets you connect tables together visually. In this window, add both tables to the workspace. You should now see the tables side by side. Now comes the key step. Drag the ID field, which is the primary key from the first table, and drop it onto the matching field in the second table. This action creates the foreign key relationship between the two tables. When you do this, LibreOffice Base may show a confirmation window. Review it carefully and click OK to confirm the relationship. Once the link is created, save your changes. That's it. Your foreign key relationship is now set up in LibreOffice Base. This means the second table is now connected to the first table, and your database can maintain better data consistency and structure. If you ever need to build more advanced databases, learning how to create these relationships is a super useful skill. It helps you avoid duplicate data, keeps your database organized, and makes it much easier to work with related records. So just remember the process. Create the first table, set the primary key, create the second table with a matching field, open relationships from the Tools menu, and drag the primary key to the linked field. That is how you add a foreign key in LibreOffice Base. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more practical tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.